Assalamu alaikum and welcome. Today we will learn about the Insert tab of Microsoft Word. On the left corner we can see three buttons: Minimize, Restore and Close button. On the right corner we have Save, Undo, Can't Repeat and Custom Quick Tool. We can see pages and words in the right corner. We can select and delete some words. So number of words will decrease by doing this. Again we select some words and see the changes in the number of words. Here you can see that our number of words has been decreased. Save option is one of the most important tool in Microsoft Office. You can use save command to save your changes. You can also select autosave option. When you use this option, your document automatically save changes. You can also use shortcut key by pressing Ctrl+S on your keyboard to save any document at any working stage. In Insert tab, we have different options to make our document more attractive and beautiful, like pages, tables, illustrations, links, header, footer, text and symbols. Under Pages tab, we have Cover Page. If your document does not have cover page, you can use this option by selecting any style of cover page. On cover page, we have different headings which are editable. So this is the cover page selected by me. This page also have a picture, so we can edit that picture at any time. So now we will give the title to this document: Microsoft Word, and we will type in subtitle, we will type day 2 as it is the second day of our lesson, and then my name, obviously Tanya Hakim. We also have a picture on our cover page which is editable at any stage, and when we select the picture, you can see the arrow signs which are active, so you can also increase or decrease the size of this picture. Second option on Pages tab is blank page. You can also add a blank page in your document at any stage. If there is something missing in your document, so you can add a blank page like this. But currently we don't need a blank page, so we will shift our text on the blank page by using this feature. After blank page, we have another option which is called page break option. Page break option is used to end the current page and start a new page. Like if you want to end a current page, so you use this option. Put your cursor where you want one page to be end and the next page to begin. Here you can see the changes made by using page break option. Next tab is table tab. You can insert table of any size here. Like you can select number of boxes, maximum number of boxes you want, but we are going to use insert table tab. So we are giving number of columns 20 and similarly number of rows 20, but this table is so big, so we don't need such a big table, so we are going to delete some rows by using a drop down option, and we will also delete some columns. When you will press the left button of your mouse, you can see these drop down option. Now we will enter data in this table, so you can see the changes. We have day 2, insert, and page layout, references, mailing, review, view, and design. You can type any kind of data. In these boxes, like you can use numeric data, you can use alphabetic data, so you can, the table is the better illustration of anything in a document. In drop down list, when you use the left mouse button, you have a drop down list. You have many options over there, like addition, deletion, merging, and minimize, maximize. So now we will select our row, and we can copy data from here, and we can paste data in other rows. So you can see how easy it is to use a table. You can easily copy the data and paste it in other tables whenever you need it. Now we are going to use another feature, which is to insert a column, insert a new column in your table. Now we will insert a row in our table. So this is a new column, and we will enter data in this column. We minimize the size, we decrease the size of our table so that we can easily show our data. So we type a new data row, which is home 1 1 1 2 4 5. So similarly, now we are going to add a new column, insert, and a new row. So it's a Thursday, which was missing in the number of days. So copy the data of upper row and paste it. You can use the copy and paste option on the home tab, and you can also use Ctrl+C for copy and Ctrl+V to paste your data. So whenever you want to, next step is to delete a row and a column. But to delete a column, you need to select all boxes. Similarly, to delete a row, you need to select entire row. If you miss any box in the row, so the whole table will vanished. You need to select all the boxes in a row and a column to proper use the delete option. So here you can see the changes. Now delete the entire column, delete the entire row. So here you can see the changes. You can also insert a row by pressing enter button on your keyboard. You can use different borders options like no border, left, right, top, bottom borders. So you select the data and use no border option, and after that you use inside vertical, inside horizontal, and then all borders. So these are the different options you can see easily. Step by step you can apply these changes. You can also increase or decrease the font size, enlarge the font size of your table. Normally we use font of almost 10 to 12 range if we have more things on in our document. But if you only have to show a simple table, you can enlarge the size of your text as well. So here we have bold text for the headings. Next option is picture. You can insert picture. We already have downloaded pictures on our desktop, so we will select one of them. You can select the picture in between the text, and for that you can use wrap text and then tide, so you can easily how beautifully this text has been attached to the picture. So you have different font styles, you have different designs. Now we move towards the cover page, and here we have another picture, so we select another new picture according to our topic. We can also cut the picture and then again select picture and then insert the picture, and you can increase or decrease the size of your picture as well. So here you can see the changes on the 3 pages. You have pictures, you have table. Now we are moving towards the next option, which is clip art. Clip art is a collection of auto-saved pictures in your document, so you can select any picture. Okay, we are selecting this. and we can adjust the size of this picture according to our need. We want to shift this to the previous page, so we will crop this picture, or we will decrease the size of this picture. So the picture shifts to the previous page. So this is we are using crop option. Now we maximize the picture so that it look beautiful. Next option is shape. You can select any shape, and you can change the background of the shape into any color. We have different colors here, so you can choose any color which you like the most. Another picture, we are going to select another shape. So this shape, for this shape we again have different color options. Whatever color we like, we can choose that color. And we have different style or themes here. You can also give shades to your shape, and you can also add text in your shape. Like this, I'm entering MS Word, I'm adding MS Word, as this is the main topic. Next option in insert tab is smart art option. This is one of the amazing feature of MS Word, that you have different options. We have different types of hierarchy and pyramids, so we select one of them. We can add text of our own choice, like morning. Next text tab, in next text tab we enter evening, and then night. You can move a smart art in between text, but that is not a good option, because smart art option cannot adjust in wrap text option. So I am showing you this, how it works. So when we select this picture and we use wrap text, we don't have any option. We can here we can change the size of our smart art. So you need to open each and everything on this tab to better understand the things. You can apply changes to better understand each and everything on this document. Next is chart option. So here you have different types of chart. You can select any of them according to your desire, how many options you have. You can choose any chart, like bar chart, like pie chart. Here we have an Excel sheet attached to this chart. You can make changes into your data, like we have entered summer, winter and spring, autumn, and we give the main heading of weather. So you can see that when you type any data in the Excel sheet, that is showing result on the right side. Here you can see we again choose a chart. Now we are going to choose a bar chart. Here we again have an Excel file attached to this chart. You can make changes in Excel to see its effect. On Word file, like we enter summer, winter, spring and autumn. And instead of series 1 we have day, and day. We can give the day number 1, 2 and 3, so they look different. So we have different categories on our chart, bar chart. So whatever changes we apply in the Excel, the result we can see on the Word. Next option is header. You can type any text at the top of your page by using header option. You can also change the font size, font style. If you want to bold the text, if you want to underline the text, you can apply all the things, whatever you want, which make it good, which by using that option your Word document should look good. And the footer is used at the bottom of your page. You can also enter data here. So obviously we are using the main theme, main theme of our video, which is MS Word. Insert tab, day 2. So you can see header and footer on this page. Next option is page number. We use top of the page option to give page number to the document. Top of the page option, in which we select a style, and in this document total number of pages are 7, which you can see in bottom right corner. Normally you don't need to give any number to your cover page, but if you have the cover page. If your cover page have a number, you can select different first page option. Here we use format, and in which we are not selecting continue from previous. We are typing enter. We are typing start from 0, so we have a number from 0 on all pages. We give page number 2. So these are the different settings which we can use to show the changes in your document and the changes on the page number. We select different first page option. So now the page numbering will be start from the second page. Page comes after the first page. So here we have page number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. But the page number are from 1 to 6. We can also use different odd and even pages. Like you can use a specific number for odd pages and a specific number for even pages. So you can use these all options again and again to check how your document could look better, attractive. So now we have page numbers. This video is more about insert tab. So at the end you can also use text box to enter any text, and word art to apply any style, signature line to enter your signature. So we have here we have 2 options. So you must read any before applying any changes. Add signature. So we are adding Tanya, and here you can see the changes by using this feature. Similarly, you can enter date and time and other things. And this was the end of today's lesson, and thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.